Greetings to your audience. You've tuned into Children of Asia Games Diaries.
I'm Ison and my co-host is Kunei. Today with our friends we are going to tell you the most exciting news about Children of Asia Games.
Trudo is not just a sport. First of all, it is a philosophy of respect for elders and opponents. It is well known that Asian people love martial arts. For many centuries, they have carried traditional sports that have now reached a global level. On the mat, athletes competed in categories girls over 70 kilos and boys over 90 kilos. The competitions in the Children of Asia Games have been held since 1996. The most regular participating country in all types of competition is Kazakhstan. The participants prepared seriously, and we can't ignore the factor of luck, which was on their side today. In the Trudo discipline, 17 sets of medals will be awarded for both boys and girls. The final matches will show who will bring a significant result to their team.
On the final day of basketball competition, 8 best teams fought for medals. In the boys category, the team from Belarus and Uzbekistan made it to the final. For the third place, Thailand played against the Ural Federal District. In the girls category, Belarus from Ural Federal District competed for gold, while the teams from Yakutia and Kazakhstan battled for bronze. The players from Kazakhstan teams showed their strength right from the start of the game. With strong defense, impressive passes and effective attacks, they quickly took lead in the points. The coach noted that the opponent was tough and the game was intense.
In the last day of the 8th Children of Asia Games, non-stop wrestling matches took place on 2 mats at the Triumph Sports Training Center. Athletes competed to be the best in their weight categories. On the final day, athletes with hearing impairments took to the mat. The Children of Asia Games are one of the most important events for young wrestlers, often marking the start of their journey into big-time sports. Throughout the competition, new names and victories emerged. Despite their young age and health challenges, the wrestlers gave it their all, showing intense passion and effort to win.
The qualifying rounds for archery took place at the Yunus Stadium. 47 athletes from 5 countries lined up to shoot at targets. Among them, there were 3 massive sports from Belarus, Ural, and the Far East. All eyes were on the favorites. In previous games, athletes from Moscow won all possible awards and medals. This time, they were represented by only 2 athletes. Upcoming events include individual and team matches.
The finals and semi-finals of 10 sport competitions were held. The event was last included in the Children of Asia Games in 2008 and returned after 16 years, impressing spectators with high-level performances. 7 pairs competed on the dance floor, 6 from Russia and 1 from Mongolia. The boys and girls competed in double event, which includes 2 programs, European and Latin American. There are 10 types of dances, each differing in character, technique, and tempo. Athletes need to master technique, have excellent physical fitness, and show artistry and individual style. The Ural Federal District team became champions in dance sport at the 8th Children of Asia Games. The Moscow team won silver medals.
Stick around, there's lots of great stuff coming your way.
See you soon, keep tuned, and enjoy your summer holidays.
Bye for now.